Hey guys, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to go over how to install the Sonoff-Tasmota firmware for your Sonoff device. So the first thing you want to do is open Safari, and the link you want to enter is goo.gl/V lowercase e capital M lowercase f the number 8 and K, and make sure you have the case correct, and you want to click enter. And now it brings you to the Sonoff page. So you want to click on the clone or download, and then you want to click download zip. So this saves the files we need in the Sonoff-Tasmota master folder in your downloads section. And the next thing you want to do is open Atom. So this program takes a few seconds to load. But now you can see it is loaded. You want to go to the Atom and then Preferences, and then you want to go to Install, and you want to type in Platform IO as one word and click Enter. And so this gives you the Platform IO packages. You want to select the one that just says Platform IDE. Make sure you do not select the one that's terminal, and you want to click Install. This can take about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so now that we see the installation is complete, you can see that Atom says it needs to reload. And so the thing you want to do is click on the Reload Now button. And so once you click that, it reloads Atom completely. And as you can see, it takes a bit of time. But now you see the new Platform EO folder, and you want to click Open Project. And you want to navigate to your Downloads folder, and you want to select Sonoff-Tasmota Master, and just click Open right after that. And so you can see that Platform EO gives us a message that it'll be rebuilt shortly. And on the side, you can see now there's a folder called Sonoff-Tasmota. And so the next thing you want to do is go to the Sonoff folder, and then go to the userconfig.h. And okay, so let's close these extra tabs that we won't be using today. And so you can now enter the Sonoff-Tasmota firmware settings, and you want to change where it says STASSID1. That is your Wi-Fi access point that the ESP8266 on the Sonoff will connect to. So in my case, I changed it to QuickPi, and the password is going to be Wi-Fi password. Change these to your preferences. But you also have a backup SSID, so if you have two networks, you can configure the backup one in case the main one fails. And so I just changed it to QuickPi, Wi-Fi password, backup Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi password. So you can change these to whatever you like, and you can go through these files as it's all explained. And yeah, so feel free to explore whatever you would like to change and anything like that. And so once you're done with that, you want to go to Save, and this saves your new user config. So in the next part, I will now show you how to wire your Sonoff to your serial port on your serial device. Okay, so now that we're at the Sonoff device, this is the wiring you would need to do. So you want to wire the ground on your FTDI or serial device to the 4th pin from the button, your VCC or power to the 1st pin, your TX to the 2nd pin, and your RX to the 3rd pin. And here I've also given a chart, and please make sure your FTDI device is set on the 3.3 volt configuration, or else you could actually brick your Sonoff device due to the overvoltage. Okay, so now in this diagram, it shows you how to put your Sonoff into firmware rewrite mode. So as you connect your FTDI or serial module to your computer, you want to hold the button on your Sonoff. When you do this, there are a specific set of pins that are connected, and as the Sonoff boots up, it recognizes these pins and goes into firmware rewrite mode. Okay, so now we're going to compile and upload the firmware into the Sonoff board. So the first thing you want to do is go to the platform.io.ini file, which is not on the Sonoff library, but it's actually all the way down in the main folder, as you can see there, and you want to click that, and you want to go to the platform.io and click upload. So this builds and uploads the firmware onto the board. So once it's done, it should say success. And so now that that is finished, let's open the serial monitor. So you want to set the baud rate to, you want to first select your serial device, and then you want to change your baud rate to 115,200 and click start. And so now you can see that the serial monitor is there, and so you can see that the messages are coming. So the first thing you want to do is unplug and replug the VCC pin, so the Sonoff repowers, and there you can see it says connecting to your access point, and there you can see that it's given you an IP address and as well as the web server address. And so the next thing you want to do is now open Safari once again, copy these addresses down and open it. So now that I have Safari open, I copied in the address, and it takes about a few seconds to load because the Sonoff is not as powerful as a regular server. But now that you can see it as loaded, you can toggle the device on and off, you can change the configuration settings, and yeah, so there's a lot of stuff you can go through, and the information page is very useful as it gives you a full information set about your current stats of your Sonoff device, and it does take a few seconds to load, but there you can see it gives you almost everything you would want. And so uptime, the reason it's turned off, the name, your Wi-Fi, everything like that. And this is actually a very useful page, and make sure you write down this IP address as it can be useful for future configuration. But that's it, guys. So once you've reached this, you're pretty much done with setup. So thanks for watching.